In this video, did we just confirmed a bearish signal? And also, let's dive into this app na aking bagong tinatry ngayon. And yeah, if you want to know more about this, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another gabscrypto currency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So yeah, previously Bitcoin double top pattern na ating fina-follow and nag-break na tayo to the downside. However, sell volume is not really significant. We were actually expecting some support at certain areas and then actually nakuha tayo ng support exactly dito sa 44.5k. So yeah, that was actually a pretty strong support right now for the Bitcoin price. But right now, what's next for the Bitcoin price? Well, for the short term, if you're going to look at the early time frame, for the very short term naman, you would actually see now we are forming this very short term bullish cross. So indicating na we might actually get somehow a trend reversal. And if you're going to dive deep dito, nag-form din kasi tayo dito ng bullish divergence for the very short term din. If you would look closely, gawa natin siya ng line. So yun na may declining price. And then look at the RSI. Sa RSI, meron tayong increasing RSI. That was a short-term trend reversal to the upside. So yeah, possibly na short-term bullish trend lang siya. Pero yun nga, ang mahalaga na kailangan nyo tingnan dito is, despite of this short-term bullish trend, if you're going to zoom out, you would actually notice na dito sa ating bigger time frame, you are actually getting lower lows and lower highs. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, indicating na we are in a bearish trend. So ito, short-term trend reversal siya. So yeah, it could be a significant move na pwede tayong mag-pump lang ng for the very short term. Pero overall, the whole trend is somehow pretty bearish right now. Kasi if you're going to look at the 200 moving average, we are below the 200 moving average in the hourly. So meaning na this is pretty bearish right now for the Bitcoin price. If you're going to look at it naman sa ating 4-hour time frame, hindi pa tayo actually bearish for the 4-hour time frame kasi we are above still the 100 moving average dito sa 4-hour time frame. And yeah, technical target pa din talaga natin dito is still the 43.8k, pero right now tumataas yung moving average natin. Ma-adjust yung ating technical target as the day goes by. So the next technical target would be still 43.7k, and if tumaas pa tayo lalo dito, possible na maging around 44k area na yung maging support level natin for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, that's for the 4-hour time frame. Pwede siya na ma-reject anytime soon dito sa ating mga moving averages with the early time frame. Kasi if you're going to look at the early time frame, and let's open the 20 moving average, we are actually getting some short-term rejection dito. So possible na mag-reject siya dyan, or possibly isang example siya ng dead cat bounce. But with that being said, let's look at one more bigger time frame, which is daily time frame. Because if you're going to look at the daily time frame, we have been monitoring this bearish divergence. So increasing price, declining RSI, that is a signal na meron tayong trend reversal to the downside. And if you're going to look closely at the MACD, nag-form na tayo ng MACD cross na bearish. So this would indicate na we had the momentum to go to the downside and nagkakaroon na tayo ng somewhat of a bearish trend. So this could somehow signify na we are confirming into a short-term bear trend. Though, remember, this is a healthy pullback. This is just a dip, more likely, kasi you would actually notice na grabe kasi inakit natin dito. Naging overbought tayo bigla. So, I think somehow kailangan ma-reset natin yung indicators kahit papano in order for us to continue our bullish movement for the Bitcoin price. So, I think this is not pretty bad for Bitcoin. Let's say you're following Bitcoin for the short term. You can actually short this. Pero let's say you are in for the long term. You could actually dollar cost average dito sa mga areas na yan. Such as yung sinasabi natin kahapon, still pretty much the 42.7k area or 42.6k area, and 38k pa din yung technical target nito. However, as much as possible, kailangan nyo mag-set palagi ng support areas at different levels such as itong 42.5k or 42.6k para alam nyo kung possible na mag-bounce siya dyan, then yeah, pwede tayo magkaroon ng trend reversal. So volume, not much sell volume din as compared sa mga dating mga breakout. Hindi significant yung sell volume, so possible na makuha tayo ng bounce anytime soon at certain support areas such as the 42.6k area, or let's say pwede din itong 43,000 US dollar. So yeah, that's Bitcoin. So pretty bearish tayo right now. Now let's dive into altcoins naman. So look at this for Cardano. We actually met our target exactly as predicted from this double top. Same goes with Ethereum. Sa Ethereum, na-meet na natin actually yung target natin, which is this 100 moving average. So, if you have entered this position or nag-dollar cost average kayo dyan, congratulations sa inyo kung nakapasok. However, meron tayong pwedeng maging bad news dito kasi let's say mag-decline pa further lalo si Bitcoin, then of course, pwedeng ma-affect itong Ethereum price action. So, I don't think na yung magiging next TA natin dito is somehow going to be relevant for Ethereum and Cardano kasi right now, in a Bitcoin dip, everything is very dependent on the price action of Bitcoin or the movement mismo ng Bitcoin. So, yeah. Right now, if you want to enter into any altcoins, I highly suggest you watch out for Bitcoin first before entering into any altcoins. Now, let's talk about Axie Infinity then. Alam ko marami sa inyo nabigla dun sa pump kahapon. Sabi natin, akala ko ba hindi pa tayo nag-expect ng pump? Well, ako personally, hindi pa talaga ako nag-expect. Nagulat din ako dun. Pero if you're going to look at the Fibonacci levels, hindi siya actually surprising if you're going to look at the data. Kasi marami sa inyo ata nagulat kahapon na biglang nag-pump. At biglang maraming nag-try humabol dito. So, nag-FOMO sila dyan. When in fact, andito pa rin tayo sa consolidation area pa din ni Axie Infinity. Kaya lagi natin sinasabi na always enter during a consolidation just in case magkaroon ng movement. Pero, yeah, we are still expecting more consolidation dito. Pump and dump. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na pump and dump within this certain area of within $63 up to the $78. So, yeah. Ang stand ko pa din dito, mag-expect ako ng pump if mag-touch tayo dito sa 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. Pero why not? If nakakuha tayo ng pump within the 50 moving average, then I think that's also good then. So, right now, I think na pwede mong tingnan kasi is yung 100 moving average and yung 50 moving average. If you're going to look at past data, nagkakaroon din tayo ng mga ganong false pump. So, possible na baka isa din itong example ng false pump na nangyari kay Axie Infinity. So, wag kayo masyado mag-expect na tuloy-tuloy na yan palagi to the moon. Marami sa inyo nagsasabi, to the moon na yung Axie Infinity. Well, I highly suggest na you need to look at the data closely kasi pwede kayong ma-mislead kung akala nyo nagpa-pump na when in fact, the data is telling you otherwise na hindi pa pala talaga kasi may mga resistance pa din tayo na sinusundan. So, yeah, that's why I always tell you na you always trade by the data and not by the hype kasi hindi ibig sabihin na nakita kayo ng biglang pump, ibig sabihin na tuloy-tuloy na. Kasi possible na paakit yung price action natin, humihina naman yung strength ng coin. So, that's why you always need to understand the data first before entering into any trade, into any coins. Sa kahit anong coins. For SLP, yeah, pretty bearish pa din tayo, hindi pa tayo bullish. As always, sinasabi ko sa inyo, mag-flip bullish lang tayo na break natin yung 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame, which is itong red line. But right now, we are starting to form another resistance, which is itong 20 moving average. So, you need to watch out right now for the 20 moving average dito sa ating 4-hour time frame. And yeah, ang technical target nitong symmetric triangle na matagal nating fina-follow is this 15 cents area. And I think we're on the way to that area na. So, yeah. You need to watch out for that closely kasi possible na dumiretso tayo doon. If you're going to look at the RSI, hindi pa siya oversold so possible na mag-decline pa siya lalo for the SLP price action in the coming days. May mga nagtatanong kasi kung hodl pa ba or mag-sell na sila. If gusto nyo na mag-sell, siguro partial selling lang. Huwag kayo mag-all-in palagi sa selling kasi what if bigla nag-trend reversal na siya to the upside and then nag-sell na kayo ng full position nyo, baka naiwanan pa pala kayo. So, that's why if you want to cut loss talaga ngayon for SLP, then I highly suggest na average out your cut loss. Like, kuha ka lang siguro 20% muna and then 20% again para hindi ka palagi mag-all-in at somehow pwede mo i-re-enter into other trades yung iyong kinot loss na 20%. So yeah, that's for SLP and let's dive into Phemex naman kasi Phemex actually approached me for their app. And if you haven't heard of Phemex, ito yung ginagamit na platform ng mga ibang traders na sikat like The Moon Carl, Satoshi Stacker, Crypto Chris. So if narinig yung mga pangalan nila, like pati din si Bitboy Crypto, isa sila sa mga users ng Phemex which is one of the biggest trading platforms din in the whole world. So you could actually trade futures dito. So if you're an experienced trader, I would recommend this app. So yeah, you could actually just create an account and if you want to claim up to $100 bonus upon signing up, you can actually use my affiliate link in the description down below. So if you want to use this, you can actually make an account. So you just have to first register with my affiliate link dito sa description sa videos din sa baba. And then, pag nakalogin na kayo, may KYC pero hindi naman siya required kasi nakapag-cash in ako kagad kahit wala pang KYC. Pag na-open mo na yung Phemex at nakapag-cash in ka na, you could actually go to market and then let's say you want to go into leverage trading or sa mga futures, just go to contract. And then, kung yari may gusto ka i-select na coin, for example, Ethereum. Actually, nag-try lang ako magpasok ngayon na Ethereum para lang matry ko lang, makita ko lang experience niya. And actually, ang ganda pala niya. Let's say, try natin siya sa Cardano mag-sell short for Cardano. So, if you're going to look at this, pwede ka actually mag-select ng quantity. So, ito yung margin natin, yung itong cost, ito yung magiging margin mo. So let's say margin natin is around $10. And then you would want to use 5x leverage, or let's say in this example gamit tayo na 4x leverage. So yeah, let's say gagamit ka dito ng 4x leverage dito kay Phemex. So let's select sell short. And then ito makikita mo yung iyong all-in-all na order. Ang kagandahan nito, unlike sa Binance, yung pagsaset mo ng order is kita mo lahat. So example, makita mo na magmo-market order ka ngayon using 4x leverage sa current mark price. And then makita mo din kagad yung liquidation price, of course. And then pwede mo na actually set kagad yung take profit area mo. So let's say gusto mo mag-take profit if bumagsak si Cardano to $1.8. And then let's say yung stop loss mo is around $2.2. So if you want to enter na this, makikita mo na yung summary. Last price goes down to 1.8. It will trigger the market order to take profit as the estimated profit na $5.99. So makikita mo sa talaga na sobrang organized na iyong futures trading dito. So let's say mag-sell short ka ngayon. So let's confirm this. So papasok ngayon yung iyong sell short order dito sa ating open positions. So ayun guys, sa ngayon pumasok na yung ating sell short order, which is itong Cardano na na sell short with the margin na $10 na ating sinet kanina using 4x leverage. And then ayan makita mo entry price, mark price, liquidation price, yung margin, and then yung unrealized PNL, and then yung realized PNL mo. So yeah, ganun lang siya kadali. And then makita mo yung mga stop loss and yung sinet mong take profit area. Nakalagay na siya dyan kagad automatically. Unlike sa Binance na kailangan mo pa i-type in manually after mo siya mabuy. So at least dito isang bagsakan na siya dito for Phemex. So yeah, ayun, if you're an experienced trader, you could try this one out. Pero remember, this is for experienced traders only. If hindi ka pa sanay sa galaw na market, I highly suggest na you stick with spot market only. Kasi of course, leverage trading is very risky. Though high reward siya, high risk din siya, mataas din yung pwede mo makuha ang loss. So I highly suggest if you want to enter into leverage trading, sanayin nyo lang muna sarili nyo sa spot wallet. So yeah, you could actually transfer your funds from Binance or crypto.com or coins.ph to Phemex. Ganun yung ginawa ko actually. Nag-transfer ako ng $50 from my Binance account dito papunta kay Phemex. And wala namang fees kasi ginamit ko is XRP transfer. So if you want to get up to $100 bonus upon signing up dito sa Phemex, you could actually use my code down below. So yeah, try nyo siya guys. And then if you want to search for this site, you could actually type in phemex.com. So yun guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.